Yo, King Car Wash 205 in this thing one more time. We got the Pit Boss. Oh yeah, brand spanking new. We're doing an unbox with two things. A Predator and a Pit Boss. But of course, you know, when we be doing car washes, we got the beautiful tray bill. But if you haven't looked back in our other channel, we had the Bluebird, the Power Stroke, 161cc. Yeah. But now we got 196cc. Then we got 200 and what is it?
212, I believe, sir.
Wait a second. I gotta find out for sure.
All right, let's go ahead and get you to unbox it, my good sir.
Oh yes, I'm ready. What should I choose?
Go get go get the scissors.
Scissors?
Like scissors.
Oh no, I gotta wash my hands.
We also got the competition blend, old wood pellets.
Yeah, but now. Yeah.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Don't go too fast, okay, bud?
Oh no. Do
You
not
can't
do
hold
it
your
like
hand
that.
like that, my man. Look, you'll never do it that way. Hey, you ready to pour the quit? Touch yourself. But
now.
you should better snatch it up.
Got it. Okay, are y'all ready? For the Now, are y'all ready to smoke some brisket?
Hell yeah.
That's what I thought, but we gotta concern him real quick.
Oh,
Okay. We gotta try to keep this kid friendly, okay?
okay.
This is what the Pit Boss is gonna be sitting on.
Okay, make
I
sure
don't know
all the
what I
parts
just
stay
wrote.
the same. Oh,
That's together.
I'll get
hey, what the heck?
How do you know?
Okay, there we go.
Get out of here. Is it okay if I karate chop it?
Let's go with it! Wow, people. Hey, come on now, don't break it up too bad, because what if it don't work?
It do work. It's a grill.
Man, it seemed like initial very good, strong quality, okay? Lay that over there. Well, KJ, don't play my wheels, please, sir.
It's a knockout stick.
Okay, here go the handle to the front of the grill. Stainless steel.
Do not
Okay.
tell me we gotta assemble this thing.
Yes, we do. We ain't gonna do that on the video. We're just gonna tell y'all how it looks, so on and so forth. Put that over there, please, sir.
This is the opening.
Okay, put that over there, please, sir. We're just unboxing right now. You should open both sides of the box and just lift it up, but
Yeah.
you live and you learn. You get this phone, please, sir.
The phone.
Yes, and you record me getting it out. Only once you hear strong enough to pull it out.
I am strong enough.
You might have thought you was, but you'll get a nice little hemorrhoid. It'll stick out
Oh
on
my
your butt.
God.
You're gonna be like, oh my God, this thing right here hurts, Daddy. Ba da 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 da. You got a barbecue grill combo. You can cover the burn up a cup, alright?
Black Panther.
Okay, we're gonna bring this one right here down. You ain't even looking at the camera. Stand back a little bit so you can see me too. I got them threads in my head, man.
Threads.
I got them threads in my head, man.
And threads.
Threads in my head, man.
The threads.
You don't know what the hell I'm talking about, boy.
All right.
What about a bit
Here we go.
I now announce.
Okay, we see what, like, we got an instruction manual.
Oh my God.
Yay.
It should have came built.
No, it shouldn't have. That's for the lazy people in the world, buddy.
Oh.
All the the sloths. The sloths.
I think I'm one.
Sloths. Hey, you know sloth. You know. Ouch! You
What?
stabbed me with a piece of cheese.
You hit me in the knee with
Lying.
this. I don't know what this thing is.
What was it?
I do not know. It's a piece of cardboard.
Yeah, you remember
Okay.
that?
Edit.
Hey, man. Okay, it seems like I gotta get ready to flip this thing over, y'all.
Wait a minute. Flip.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all got
Go on
us.
that side over there, please, sir. No Oscars in his video.
Okay.
No
Oh,
nudity.
yes, you do need
No
doodle
nudity.
doodle crumbs. Okay. Oh my God. This is special effects, y'all. This comes with the Blu-ray package. Oh my God. Are you ready? Okay.
Look.
Okay. Oh my God. He is the master. Ooh. Are you okay?
I'm bad. You didn't even know you was getting it. Juju, you just film, okay?
Yes, sir.
Just baby. Oh.
I'm
You
okay.
want yourself, buddy? No, you can't. If you look in the camera.
Yeah. Everything's okay.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just fell on my booty.
You fell on your tush.
Yes. I fell on my glute.
You fell on your glutes.
Now what?
Oh my
Okay.
God.
Look, this is what we're gonna have to do, Strongman 3.
1,333.
And I am Strongman 1111.
Cause you're weaker.
Cause guess how strong your boy is?
So
I
weak. So weak.
Oh what?
He weaker than a worm. You can't even.
Hey.
How dare you
You
insult
don't
me?
do that to your brother. I'll be back.
That's still me, baby, man. I ain't rushing for real, baby.
This is gonna be harder than I thought.
Oh, we ain't breaking that just then, baby.
No, we didn't.
No, don't break it.
I'm getting back. Just in case anything does try to happen. Nick, you just made me think that we
Man,
had
that's a
something.
lot of stuff in the damn box, man. Who bought this here?
Mine.
Oh.
Daddy, please be gentle.
No. Please be gentle. I'm trying to kill you.
Okay, initial quality. Oh man, where the hell is smoke gonna come from?
Where the what?
Where the hell is smoke gonna come from?
I don't know.
Okay, yeah, you got a little latch on it. Okay, you pull that latch out right there.
Ooh la la.
Oh, he got 387 20 total cookie tubbies.
Wait a second. What is that say?
387 total cookie tubbies.
Okay, look what we can do with this thing, though, y'all. Look
They're gonna have
at
an extra rack
that.
up there and stuff, and it's a 19-pound hopper capacity. So all the stuff right there that you can do with it, please, sir.
Oh.
It's an 8-in-1. You can do all the stuff in the world with it. We gonna power without.
Better.
Look at this thing. It's electric?
Yeah, it's electric.
Only
That-
thing we gotta be
That's
doing
why
this
we
way.
bought the generator.
Okay. Okay. King Kawa 205 up in here, man. We finna get ready to come up out of here. We gotta put all this stuff together. And once we get finished, we're gonna come back and we're gonna pause. We're gonna come right back. So